It's fine.
Just to fix it. How do you send more gifts besides the ones on this page? Or is that all you can send?
That's all you can send.
I wish you could send pigs. Send us chips.
And I just knocked it down. So, I am the bad person.
Do you want to use the electric dragon to everybody?
Sure.
Who all's on one of your friends?
I have a lot of people.
We need one small.
You should move the lamp up so that way we can actually see out here. Oh wait, better yet.
What are you doing? Are you videotaping it?
Yeah.
You're such a baby.
It's a really cool track. I just want to show it off.
Whee!
There goes our train.
Hey, by the time chug, that I put it there, you should be at level 17.
Okay.
There goes our train, I'm like very close to being at level 17. And the food that I put in there gave me like 75,000 experience.
Okay. Well, no, there's a break in our track.
Oh no. Alright, let's fix it. Train is fixed.
Oh, derailed.
Side. When are we gonna get back to the station?
There's my other cousin Dylan playing the Dragon City game.
Hi. Take a deep turn.
So is that like a racing train now?
Yep. Speed train.
Okay, our train's at the station. 7.